Assalamu alaikum guys. So in this video we are going to have a look at text fields, text form field and validating a text form fields in Flutter. So you guys must know about the text field. Well, a text field is a most commonly used widgets that's used in the programming languages, not in Flutter but the other ones as well. The main thing comes when we talk about the text form field. So what is a text form field? Well, a text form field basically wraps a simple text field with a form field that basically allows you to use the functions on saved, validation and reset functions respectively. So let's get started. So what I will do is I will, in the body parameter, I will add column and I will set the main axis alignment to center and wrap it the center widget, and in the children's section I will add the two text form fields, and I will create two controllers for them. Var first text editing controller, var second text editing controller, and I will assign the controller first to the first one and assign a space to them, and pass the second one and reload the app. Okay, let's assign some padding to it. Okay, let's check it. So it's better now. So what I will do is I will add a button, and upon clicking that button we'll check if the text form fields are not null. So I will add a raised button, assign a text style, okay, reload the app. Okay, okay, so it's done. Okay, so let's dive into our main part to validate our two text form fields. Okay, for the validation we need a global key, and we will pass that key to the form key, and that will enable us to validate our text form fields basically. So to add a global key I will add var, and I will name it form key equals global key, sorry, form state added like this, and in just before the column wrap this widget with a form, and in the key property assign that form key. Okay, so now it's done. Now we need validator, which takes a required parameter value. Now we will check if this value is not empty. If this value is empty, then return a text value empty. Otherwise, return null. Same with the second one. Okay, so now on the onPress method, we'll verify it if the form key that we have just added dot current state dot validate print a message success. Otherwise, not validated. It's time. It's time to check. Restart the app and just click this button. As you can see, it is working fine. Now add some value and click, and as you can see, it is working. Remove the value and check, not validated. So our form is successfully working. Now let's check the other function. Okay, so as we discussed the validator, we will discuss the onSaved function as well. For that, I'll be taking two strings. Let's say A and B. And okay, so the validator works same as the onSaved. It requires a parameter value, and let's assign A to this value, and same goes for the other one as well. So to save the values, we need to check that if the form key dot current state dot validate, if it successfully validates, then we need to save this form key dot current state dot save. Okay, so let's restart the app. Flutter. Okay, validate, and as you can see, Flutter learning, it has both saved the value of A and B. Okay, so that's all from this video, guys. I hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and for more videos please hit that bell icon and stay tuned. Thank you for watching this video.